So to begin with, I'm from Yashuss Unlimited Business Solutions. So Yashuss Unlimited sometimes becomes tough for someone to pronounce the name since Yashuss is very tough as a word, but I'll give you the meaning behind it. So Yashuss is derived from a Sanskrit word Yashasvi, which means success. And we are a decade-old company now, and we currently operate from Mumbai as well as Dallas, Texas. We work towards providing digital solutions and services, and our focus is to deliver solutions and to meet customers' vision to make their organization digital. So basically, from the organization perspective, we were looking for a project management tool internally, and we stumbled upon Zoho projects. And we loved Zoho so much that our journey from there started. So it's been more than we have been partners with Zoho for more than 5 years now, and currently we are the premium partners. And from the personal perspective, what you can say, I am from a developer background, so basically the learning curve for me was not that steep. But when it comes to Zoho, it was something new for me, as low code, no code. The word we never came across that in colleges, so it was pretty new for me, and it gave us a new perspective toward looking towards how we can develop an application. So the journey so far is very great. So this one is for a customer who is a heterogeneous manufacturing plant, who basically creates automobile parts for OEMs. Who are currently working in Europe as well as North America and India. So they came up to us with a problem for their code generation process. So it's a process where they generate a code for a automobile part, and the main challenge that they were facing, that there were multiple teams that were involved, that were internal as well as external, and these teams work together. They provide a final quotation price, and what the challenge they were facing is, there was this process was manual, and it was totally driven by Excel, WhatsApp and emails. So the CXOs who have to give the final approvals, or who are the main stakeholders, they were not getting a clear picture, or there was no centralized place as such to what you can say, to provide the approval faster, and there was a loss of the code submission deadline, so the deadlines were getting missed. So having a knowledge of the manufacturing industry, and our team having worked with the manufacturing plants, so we added our expertise. We did a 30-day of discovery phase where we understand the as-is process of the customer, and we drafted a solution which was fit for Zoho Creator. We didn't directly start building the application. We created a wireframe. We sent that wireframe to the CXOs, who were the main stakeholders, for their approvals. Once we got the process approved, we started the build, and we have successfully deployed this application. It's been live for more than 1 year now, and it's currently handling 1,000+ active requests. And the key point here is, this all began during COVID, where remote working for India was a very new concept, and we developed this application, deployed this application to the customer, and in this picture, Zoho played a very key role and provided us a great platform for delivering the solution to the customer and making the manufacturing engine digital. So there are quite a few, but I'll focus on a couple of things. So one feature which is the key USP of Zoho Creator, that is the low code. So that I really appreciate, and if you couple that with the syntax assist that we have, so it really helps the developers as well as non-developers to not learn the entire syntax, but just understand the keyword. You type in the keyword, and Creator does a great job in providing you the assistance that is required for coding. And secondly is the tight integration that we have. That is, you can integrate third-party services as well as Zoho services all together using APIs, and this gives us a comprehensive and connected ecosystem altogether. So low-code has revolutionized the way we look at application development. It has simplified the process of application development by breaking the barriers that we have in traditional coding. It has been an enabler for, or we can say a toolkit for someone with varying knowledge of coding. And if you're someone who appreciates the simplicity and the forwardness that Zoho Creator provides, so I can say Zoho Creator is your go-to low-code platform. And it's not just an enabler, as I said earlier, it's a toolkit which is helping everyone to build an application, and it's making life simpler for everyone.